Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy. I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my 42,000 Naira Temu haul. I hold this right here from Nigeria. This is my second ever haul from Temu. So if you want to see the things I got and the thing that made me to do this Temu haul, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Okay guys, so I recently had to get some items from Temu, one particular item more than others, and in the process, you know how it can be now, shopping online, you start seeing one or two things, you start adding and adding, and that is how I ended up getting a full bag of things from Temu. I spent about 42,000 Naira, which in the grand scheme of things is not so much. I got this pack of 3 skinny belts. I typically use with like free gowns just to cinch it in at the waist. I have a black, a white, and I don't know what the third color is. Camel color, black, white, and camel. This is like a camel color, tiny waist belt. The ones I had, they have finished peeling. I got some from Jumia. Those ones were a bit fatter. I really wanted the skinny belts and I found them. I also need to get another black and a navy blue so that I know that I am covered. I'm going to be leaving pictures throughout the video to show the prices and everything. I got them. I got 3 phone cases, these phone pouches with the flowers at the back for my phones. My Samsung phone, I've not really been finding or seeing like all these fancy pouches, and the last time I wanted to get, I just saw one plain black one was the only thing I found here. But this was one, I think this was like the second reason I did this Temu haul. So I have 3. One is for one phone and the other 2 are for, here's my Samsung phone. I got hair ties. Somehow I always get a pack of these like every 6 months, and somehow I always end up not finding a single one in my house. You are looking at me wondering, you're on low cut hair, what do you need this for? I typically use them for my wigs. I have really long hair, like this way when the weather is hot. You use it to like tie your hair. I have braided wigs. I have normal weave-ons, those straight hairs. So I use them for anything. I also use them for my kids at times too. So I got this. I saw these glasses, this glass, and it was not that cheap, but the quality quality is doing me one kind. It's not sturdy enough, although it's when you wear it, it looks nice. Have you seen a babe and more? So I got this. I also have a spare pouch. I'm going to be transferring this into ASAP because I don't like leaving glasses in this kind of flimsy things. Well, I've just left it because I needed it to remain in the carton until after I finish the haul. I have taken the pants out of here, but I had been seeing this thing flashing across my screen on Instagram. Set of cotton pants, set of 6 or so or 5. I have taken them out. Really nice panties. I'm going to purchased these ones. I've taken them out. I'm going to be leaving pictures. I cannot come and be showing you my pattern now. I'm taking pictures, or leaving pictures rather, up there. And then I had been seeing this phone charger. You know, the typical charger would have like a point right here, but this one, you can insert it into the phone and it's just flat like this. Can you see? So I was intrigued and I decided to get it. It has a normal USB cable. It's not a USB-C to C. So I got that. It's working really well. I like it. And because I saw that, I also decided to get this other one, the USB-C to C, and it has a longer cord. It has a longer cord with this charging stuff that's flat, okay, and then you can also use it to form like a stand so that your phone can stand on this, right? This one is just because I saw the advertisement that made me to buy it. But what I did notice was that whenever I had to use this cable to charge my phone, I couldn't do that with my phone case on. I always had to remove the case. So that's something I'm battling with. I don't like that, the fact that I have to remove the case every time I want to charge it. But I'm getting an idea now. I'm trying to see if I can actually just swap this on the other end and use this for the phone. It kind of defeats the purpose, yes, but that might also be another, oh wow, I need to try that after this video. That might also be another way of charging the phone without removing it from the case. But with this other one, I can charge it even while the case is on. The major reason why I did this haul is this bra extender. I have these really expensive bras that I got, and then they are now too tight for me. But you see, I cannot leave those bras alone because I need to use my money's worth out of it. And I also don't want to be fainting when I'm wearing them. So I saw they had these bra extender things that you could just clip on the bra, and then you have like an extra, it gives like an extra space at the, you know where the bra hook is at the back. So I got this. I have a black and a tan, 2 black and 1 tan bra, the bras I was talking about that I need to get my money's worth out of. But this came in a pack of 9 of these bra extender clips, and there's also white here. I just got it. It doesn't matter. I can also use the white with the black after it's inside my cloth. I like to do to match, but it's nice to own. This is like the major reason why I did this haul. I'm still going to be leaving pictures throughout this video. And then somehow I mistakenly got 2. So I don't know. I thought I put 1 in cat, but it turned out that I did add 2 to cat. This is one of those things that you, like all these silicone things that you use to scoop out products. So you see when that your foundation, that your concealer, cream, lotion, anything gets finished, don't be scared. This comes to the rescue. More often than not, you see me use like the bottom part of like a makeup brush to scoop it out, but those days are over. You have 3 sizes right here. Looks just like this. One part has like a spoon and the other part has like a spatula kind of. So this is for the concealer, this is for the foundation. I think this is for like a body lotion. You can also use it for foundation too, I figure. So I have 2 of those. really handy to get. One of my girlfriend has been begging me for one. I've been doing shakara. I told her to come and buy it. She said no, so I'm going to keep it. Unless the Lord touches my heart to give her one. So those are just the things I recently hauled from Temu. Cost around 42,000 something, not so bad. Got free shipping as well. I'm really happy, at least with all these things, like apart from the eyeglasses that I'm not so, it's like when you see it in person, it doesn't look like really quality like that. Every other thing I got here, I love. Temu is a hit or miss sometimes, so you have to be very careful. But I read reviews, I checked measurements, I did everything, and I am really happy with this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remember, bye guys.